Hello everyone, welcome to my box break. Just got back for the weekend. We had a little problem, didn't get the second box. I'm going to open this one, and when I get the next one I will post it right away. I figured out, I watched the other breaks that people are doing on video, and I guess the way to open one of these boxes with a knife, so we'll get her going. Good luck to everybody, and let's do this. There's some nice hits in these. If I'm going to state this before we get too far. I guess a knife doesn't work as good. Let me try this one. Alright. If we get multiple team cards, what I'm going to do is we'll do a drawing for them, and if you have two teams that are on the card, you'll get 2 entries into the drawing. I think that will be fair. Kind of like the lottery system, like we've been doing from the start. So here we go. Checklist, the great checklist. Got 16 cards in here, 2 autographs and 1 autograph relic per box. I could probably make this video turn into 10 minutes too. Base card. We got Carson Palmer, the Bengals, who goes to, I'm going to tell everybody, since there's only 16 cards, we'll see when it goes. That's a bad daddy. The Colts, Joseph Adai. That's a bad daddy. We got Matt Schaub for the Texans. Ooh, that goes to dog. We have an Eli Manning. Another bad daddy. Steve McNair. Ooh, look at that one. McNair Ravens goes to #1 card dealer. Randy Moss, Patriots. That's not even a rookie relic. So there's 2 more autographs behind here. See that? That is numbered. Flip the card so we don't see what the next one is. 20/25. Patriots goes to Gunner. The next card is, of course, another bad daddy. Anthony Gonzalez. That is going to be numbered 29/359. There's one stuck to it. And we got a Ted Ginn Jr., which goes to #1 card dealer. That one is numbered out of 77/199. Now we have Kellen Winslow. That's a bronze. Cleveland Browns. Goes to dog. Ooh, there's our first autograph. Paul Posluszny from the Bills. And that goes to dog as well. Oh no. Bad Daddy, I know I mentioned to you some of the cards that are selling nicely on eBay, and this is one of them. A Tony Romo autograph breakout. I think they're selling for like 60-70 bucks on eBay. Nice hit, buddy. I wish I had somebody cheering me on like Jim Sox does, but anyway, Chris Henry, that's the auto relic. Who's that? Titans goes to Gunner. Now these are all base cards. We get Brian Griese, Sean Marion, a Brett Favre, and Dedrick Ward, I believe that would be. Yes. So, well, I'm going to line up these hits again. Let everyone see what they were. I like that breakout. Here we go, everyone. We did some nice. I like this box better than the last one I got here. So here we got that. Got the Bezlesny, Chris Henry. That sweet Tony Romo card. Ted Ginn Jr. and Anthony Gonzalez. Thanks, and I'll post another video later in the week.